Hi guys, thank you for dropping by. This first alert carbon monoxide alarm. It's a very good alarm. It has a battery, sealed battery, as you can see here, that gonna last you up to 10 years. So that's a very good time. I mean, have you ever had battery that would last 10 years? Maybe not. Well, I know this that you put in the smoke detectors, they last long, but not as long. So it has 43% longer battery life. See, the standard one is 7 years. They say this one is gonna last about 10 years. And it says no battery replacement, continuous protection, and it has multifunction digital display. It shows carbon monoxide, it shows temperature, and alarm end of life. So when the batteries will be done, it will show you. And also 10-year alarm and battery life, continuous protection, no costly battery replacement, hassle-free guarantee. So I got this one from Costco, and it was like $39. So here's the info that it has. You can read it yourself. Just pause it and read it. And it also has important thing is 10-year limited warranty. So they got warranty guaranteed, so it's gonna last you for 10 years. It's actually very easy to open. All you do is just press on the package and the plastic, and it just comes out there. Here's the thing. You just pull on this part. Oh, I guess you should just pull it off. And you just, do you see there is a very little switch there, so you have to turn it on. And it also has little key or something. It says retain this step on alarm for future use. It alarm and end of life detach metal clip and insert into this sign slot. There's a slot somewhere for this metal clip. I don't know where it is. Maybe just okay. For here's how it looks. There. So I figured out what's this metal clip for. See this thing here, right here. So when your alarm will stop working, you just, to disable it or throw it away, you just put the metal clip in here. I guess it just turns it off so it doesn't beep. Okay.